Several new products from RYOBI. Let's check them out. RYOBI continues to expand on your USB lithium powered tools and accessories. We've got 3 more here, as well as an 18-volt accessory also. So let's dive in and take a closer look. Now, if you're wanting to buy these for Christmas because we're just a couple of days beforehand, you're kind of out of luck unless you want one of these. So one of these are available. The other 3 are going to be available in spring of 2023. So we're kind of giving you a head start on what's to come. But if you need a good Christmas present and you're last minute, then you may want to check out our Christmas gift guide that's loaded with awesome present ideas. RYOBI has released several new tools. Well, they're not all tools. There's some kind of accessory items. But regardless, they've released a few new products, and I guess I shouldn't say released. Only one of these is available right now. The others are probably looking at spring of 2023 launch. But some really cool little products, and 3 of them running on the USB lithium that's chargeable with a USB Type-C cable that comes with each one of these. But let's dive in and take a look at each one of these. First up is the model number FVF51K, and it's the USB lithium clamp fan kit. So very cool little, obviously personal fan. You're not going to move a ton of air on this. I think like 5,000 CFM. No, I'm just joking. This is a adjustable head here, so you can swivel it. It looks like about 180 degrees. I don't know why you'd want to point it down, but regardless, you can definitely do that. It's going to clamp on anywhere. And then the battery slides in right here. So you take the prongs, put the flat spot on, slide it in, and then you put the quarter turn on the lid, and you're ready to go. The power button here. So it looks like we have 2 speeds. First speed is high. So you feel that? Yeah, you can. Oh, sorry, you can't feel that. Anyway, yes, moving a decent amount of air. And then on low, yeah, that low is not moving much air, but hey, might at least cool you down a little bit when you need it to. So pretty cool little product. Runtime on this, 7 hours on low. So 7 hours on that little bitty guy is pretty impressive. And on high, you're going to move a whole 135 cubic feet per minute. So 135 CFM. That's pretty impressive for that little guy. As I mentioned, look for release of sometime in the spring of 2023. And pricing on this is going to be $40 for the kit, $39.97 at Home Depot or HomeDepot.com. And you get the USB Type-C cable, the battery, and the fan. And 2-year warranty on this as well. Next up, we actually have something that's already out, but it's still a cool little product. A lot of these out there now, basically a power inverter, but very common battery platform is the OnePlus 18-volt platform, because these batteries, these post-style batteries, have been out for well over a decade now, and RYOBI still uses the same type of battery, and all their batteries will work in all their tools on the OnePlus 18-volt platform, and vice versa. So there's a lot of batteries out there, so anything that will utilize the 18-volt post battery is a great little accessory. And this is goes up to 120 watts. So if you wanted to plug in a small fan, you could do it. If you wanted to plug in your laptop and charge it, you can do that as well. We have 2 USB-A outlets here, one at a 2.4 amp out. So you get a decent charge rate here. There's not a USB Type-C out. Wish there were, but still a very cool and useful little power adapter. Hold the button down until it's green, and we now know it's ready to charge. And again, you can plug in something here, or you can plug into the USB-A outlets or the standard USB outlet and be able to charge whatever device you need to. So it looks like we're looking at 1 amp, 120 watts on the 120 volt side. So we're not going to be running something that's doing a major draw, but we can run a small fan or something like that if you need to. Now, price on this is $50, I think $49.97, and you can get this now at your local Home Depot or on HomeDepot.com. This is a really cool little unit here. This is the FVIF51, which is the USB lithium inflator. And this goes up to 100 PSI. We have a power button here. Well, we need a battery in there first. So just like on the fan, slide the battery in, find the flat spot there. You see it won't go in anyway except the flat spot, slide that in, and then we can put the lid on it. And now we turn this on, we get a digital readout here that tells us the PSI. So obviously we're at 0. And pretty cool, it stores the hose right here on the tool. Just screw it in the end right here. You also get a little LED work light. Screw that in. We got an O-ring there, so we don't have to tighten it hard, just tighten it finger tight, and that's going to seal. And then we have a standard Schrader valve attachment, so you can go in any bicycle tire or automotive tire. And this is something you could top off your tire on your vehicle with, but it's not going to last a long time. It's not going to create enough volume to pump up your entire tire with that small USB battery on it. But it'll do great for basketballs, footballs, as well as bicycle tires. And actually, that's something to talk about. I actually just returned from a 100-mile bike trip from Key Largo to Key West. And we took about 15 of us with boys and men and rode from Key Largo to Key West 100 miles, camped 2 nights. Anyway, we had many flats along the way and had to kind of bring the chase van and do the fixing, things like that. But with something like this, this would have helped out a ton. Now, the cool thing about this is this tire here has what they call a Schrader valve. Pretty typical tire valve like you would see on a vehicle. And this is going to clamp on there. You see this one's low. And let's see. Turn that on and we should see a reading there. It's saying 0. So now we're at 5 PSI. I think this should run at probably 90 PSI on this tire here. Okay, so we took that to 50, and it's supposed to be anywhere between 65 and 95, but it definitely will work. It would take some time, obviously, to take that all the way up to 90 or 95 PSI, but it definitely works. And the handiness of this, by the way, when I was initially pumping it up, I kept turning it, and it was leaking past the O-ring, so I had to turn it to where I could hold it, and it would keep that from loosening. Regardless, the cool thing about this is it's going to store away very compact. And in fact, we have a little hole right there all the way through, and we can take the provided Velcro straps and be able to strap it to a bike or strap it to whatever to be able to store that as well. And there's something else really cool about this. While that is your typical Schrader valve, many of your road bikes run what they call a Presta valve, which is what this looks like right here. And you see a lot different. It's a lot smaller. It's typically all metal. And then you have kind of a purge valve look here on the top. Well, your typical pump will not go on there. But what's cool is inside this little tool here, right here in the end on the gray, if you slide this out, we have a needle so we can pump up our footballs, basketballs, and different things like that. And then we have a little adapter right here. And this goes right on that Presta valve. Screw that down. And then we can put, and now we can pump up the Presta valve. So pretty cool that this not only works on a typical Schrader, but it also works on the Presta. And by the way, don't ever forget to screw that back in on your Presta valve so that locks it in so you can't release any air. And then I can put this back on there, slide it back in that little compartment, and now it's ready for the next time. Now this is also going to be available in spring of 2023, and it's going to run $40 or $39.97, and 2-year warranty on this as well. And then last up, we have the RYOBI USB Lithium Glue Pen Kit. So this is the model number FVH56K. You can get this for $50 or $49.97 at your local Home Depot or on homedepot.com. And again, look for this to be available in spring of 2023. This is going to run the same USB lithium RYOBI battery. Easy to slide it in. And then this is supposed to heat up in 30 seconds. So let's see here. Okay, now it's turned on. And let's go ahead, and it uses a 5/16 inch glue stick. So we'll go ahead and slide this in here. There we go. Wow. Oh, wow. They're not joking. It is already heating up. I could tell when I was sliding that glue stick in that I could kind of push it past the heat. And so there you see. And this is cool. I love this little stand here. You got like a plastic cup that rests in. You have basically a protection from the heat on the tip for your fingers. And then you have a nice little pad to set that on, and that's going to catch all your glue drippings, because that's always going to happen. Nice little precise, what they're calling a glue pin. So I was thinking you kind of held it like this, but it looks like I see pictures and they're kind of holding it like this. And so you can push this with your thumb, and we have a little depression on either side, so it can be ambidextrous with left or right hander. So again, it looks like they're holding it something like this and then being able to push like that or like that as well. But that does seem to hold on to the glue stick. So a couple of fingers on top and then push with your thumb. And it's more of a detailed stream rather than a big glue blob, but you can push that without issue. So pretty cool little glue pen. I know the 18-volt glue guns are just a huge hit around here. We find more and more uses for that thing, and I think I've sold tons of those just by telling people about them and showing them. But anyway, this is a pretty cool one too. So smaller jobs, smaller little projects, or more detailed projects, be able to just come in and do what you need to do. Put it in your stand, keep working. It's going to catch your glue. So again, this is going to be $50 from Home Depot. And it comes with the battery. It comes with the pin here, the USB cable, the stand, and 3 glue sticks as well. And remember, these are going to be 5/16 inch glue sticks. They're not going to be your standard size glue sticks, so be sure you buy the correct ones. Well, listen, none of these tools are going to do any really heavy lifting for you in the shop, but they are cool personal accessories, and maybe not just personal accessories, but other things that will make your life a little easier. So the glue pen and the inverter are both $49.97, and the fan and the little compressor, the little inflator, is going to be right at $40 or $39.97. You get a 2-year warranty on the USB lithium tools, so check them out. We'll have links in the description. Now, the links may not work for quite some time because, again, they're not looking to launch these until spring of 2023. And I'm sorry, the links will work. It'll take you to a product page, but you can't go to Home Depot and buy these just yet. You can buy the inverter if you want to buy the inverter, and that, again, is going to run you $50. And that's a dual power inverter. In other words, it can be powered by the 18-volt as well as a 12-volt auxiliary port in your vehicle or side-by-side or boat or whatever has that cigarette lighter / auxiliary port in it. Hey, keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even TikTok. And if you don't mind, would you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already? And by all means, if you hated our video, well, then give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day and keep smiling.